morning everyone. I'm already late. It's my first day here in Norway and my first workshop. So let's go and I will show you guys the whole day, how I spent my first day in Norway. Oh, I forget to give you the tour of my apartment, but yes, maybe today or tomorrow I will. This is the place where I need to go. This is so beautiful. By the way, this is the organization, and there is my apartment right there. It starts raining.
Fight for corruption or fight for money, like because like the issue here is like.
I worked at Facebook in 2011 and 2012.
I was one of the really early employees at Instagram.
I worked at Google, YouTube,
Apple, Google, Twitter, Palm.
I helped start Mozilla Labs and then switched over to the Firefox side.
I worked at Twitter. My last job there was the Senior Vice President of Engineering.
I was the president of Pinterest. Before that, I was the director of monetization at Facebook for 5 years. While at Twitter, I spent a number of years running their developer platform, and then it became head of consumer product.
I was the co-inventor of Google Drive, Gmail Chat, Facebook Pages, and the Facebook Like button.
Yeah, this is why I spent like 8 months talking back and forth with like lawyers. This freaks me out.
When I was there, I always felt like fundamentally it was a force for good. I don't know if I feel that way anymore.
I left Google in June 2017.
Thought we could change it. And that was when I decided to make a presentation, kind of a call to arms. Every day I went home and I worked on it for a couple hours every single day.
Even more horrifying, we see the same pattern with suicide. The older teen girls, 15 to 19 years old, they're upset.
We're seeing these violent
class, political, economic,
Yes. Cheese!
Morocco!
Oh my god, it's a video!
Pizza is really good.
Practically did not know.
Here with cheese. You can always edit them. I'm gonna grab myself onto work. Like,
We learned European.
what?
I learned a bit of European.
So let's start from you. How you guys greet in your own language?
Bravo.
And where are you from?
I'm from Serbia. Привитание.
From Belarus.
Yeah, I'm from Belarus. Oi, como você tá? In Brazil.
Salam Labas from Morocco.
Now we are going to have our lunch. Lunchtime.
I don't know if I pronounce it.
Okay, I see.
I shoot another diva here. She's from Brazil. You're from?
Vietnam.
I'm from Serbia.
So I just came home after a very long day. My jacket is all wet. And I'm feeling a little bit fever. I am so tired right now. I'm gonna miss one event tonight because they have I will be participating in the tomorrow event. It's a contour event, and the rest I will tell you guys later because right now I don't have energy. So bye bye.